Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Protect IP Address in calls on WhatsApp. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the WhatsApp application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your Chats menu. Step 2. Now look at the top right of your screen, where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on it. Step 3. Next, locate the Settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Now locate the Privacy option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down to find the Advanced option and tap on it. Unfortunately, the Protect IP Address in Calls option is turned off by default. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the Protect IP Address in Calls option to turn it on instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.